Dear students, I'm recording this for your convenience. Some of those, maybe I'm expecting whole of the class, might be having interest to practice at home using the online simulator that is available. As part of this demo, let us see this first experiment. Interface an LED with ESP32 or Arduino or Raspberry Pi and write a program to blink the LED using digital output. So this is the first experiment. So for this first experiment, we have already shared here this relevant code and the relevant circuit. All right. So let us see how we use this relevant code and how we make this circuit virtually using Wokwi website. So here, if you go to this website, WOK, WI.com. So here, walkweed.com, this is a website where you will have various, here, Arduino, ESP32, STM32. So various microcontrollers or microprocessors are available here. So this is a simulator. We are doing with Arduino. So click on this. Now here what you will find is featured projects. So which are already done by someone. And here start from scratch. So let us go to this Arduino Uno. This is the board that we are using. Arduino Uno board. This board has come here. All right. Now we have provided you this PDF. In the PDF, you can see two images here. One image is this, the other image is this. This image is much similar to what we do in the lab because we use their breadboard. So let me zoom this. We use the breadboard there. So that's why the second image is using the breadboard. The first one is without using the breadboard. So, but in the laboratory, since we do using the breadboard, so let me demonstrate using this only. Okay. So if you go here, what you can do is you can hold your mouse left button and keep moving anywhere that you want to leave this one. That is one thing, that interface. The other is, if you see the mouse cursor here, the shape you just notice. And when I bring here, the shape is this. So using this again, holding the left mouse button, you can move left, right like that to create the space. And this button using, if you click here, left click, then you can pick any of the component. So for our experiment, we need one LED we require. This is the LED. And we need one resistor. This one is there already, right? So one resistor, one LED, one breadboard. So let us go here. One LED, this one resistor, this one breadboard. So breadboard you are not seeing here, just type here, breadboard. So here you will see full, half breadboard and mini breadboard. Since we are using in the lab this full breadboard, click that. Now you scroll up. This is zoom in. You scroll down. This is your zoom out. So now what you can do is you can pick your components like this. You can move like this. And this one is here. So first understand this breadboard here. These are electrically connected here. All right. And these are not electrically connected here. But here, if you come here, these are electrically connected and these are not electrically connected, these two. So that understanding is required. Now, what is that I'm going to do is I'm going to place these components on the breadboard. So if you look at this one here, this is your anode. And if you look at this one here, this is your cathode. So in the manual given here, this one is your anode. Anode is going to one resistor end, the other resistor end is going to pin number 13. And then from ground, this is going to the cathode, right? So what I do here is I just get this one here and I will place it here and just leaving there. So that got placed and got connected here. So if you zoom this one, you can see this one. That's how it is. Now, if you place it here, this is anode, right? Select this component and use this one here to flip. So now anode has come this side and the cathode is this side. Now what you do is you just take the connection from here. Even this requires to be kept. So get this one here and place it here. See how I am placing. I'm just dropping that one where this, holes are there here. So here what you do is, this is, as I said, this column is electrically connected. From this point to this point, I can leave, right? That way, this will get a connection. So let me do that. So from here to here. So this point. So now both got connected. Now the other end, this end, I had to take this one to pin number 13 there. So here is your pin number 13. So that connection is done. Now, this is my ground here. From ground, I am going to this end. I am using for this moment on the keyboard left right buttons. So I get this one here, I drop it here. So now that got connected there. All right. So it means the setup is done this way. Now what I require is, I require this code. This code is needed. So this one, the very first one is this one. I just copy this one, copy, and go to this web page here. Here you just click first. First you click and then Control A, then delete button, then Control V. So that copied one, you are pasting it here by doing Control V. So now this is done. So now in case, see here I did not sign up here. Without sign up, I am doing this one, means I cannot store this in my account. So let me run first, then how to sign up, I will show that one. So now I am going to start simulation here. So if you look at this one, it is now blinking. LED, you can see LED is blinking. So that's your first experiment. I hope you understood this, how to use. Kindly complete all of these experiments here. And in case of doubts, you can, of course, drop the message. All right. Now, let me demonstrate how to stop this. Stop this simulation, just clicking this one. Now, coming to this sign in here, sign up or sign in. The very first time of course, you have to do the sign up. So just click and continue with Google. So for doing this, continue with Google, you must have logged in already here. So since I have logged in already, so it is now, so now signed up, so I could able to log in now. So what I do is now I click on save. So here I have to type the project name. This is, let's say, demo 3. Save this one. So now it got saved here, this one. I can share this one by clicking here, the link, this one. I can share it with anyone. All right, by copying this link can be shared. Now, if I go to this, my image here, my projects, if I click, all of the project that I have done here, they can be seen here. So this demo 3, now what I have done here, it is this one. So now if you click this one, your project is ready here for viewing purpose. All right. Thank you.